Alright, what's going on everybody? So, yeah, a few updates, things have been happening. I've just been kind of like doing things here and there, spending some time with my fiance. Yeah, this game is definitely scope creeped a little bit, even though I set the expectation really low. There's a lot I hadn't done. So right now what I'm trying to do, finish up the art. I've done basically all the background art I think I'm going to finish this character art hopefully by 9, we'll see. And then all I have to do is make a few items like EXP and then some of the weapons. Oh fuck, I forgot I have to make at least 2 enemies. I can't have just one enemy. Honestly, I just might use the Kenny pack because I downloaded a fish pack. So we'll see. Maybe I'll do that. There's basically not going to be any story in this game. It's just going to be a Vampire Survivors type thing. Anyway, so here I am. I've got some of this AI generated art which I've used to inspire some of these characters. I'm not using it. I'm just kind of using it to inspire them. So this guy was the Nemo type fish. We've got a seahorse. This barracuda I thought was sick, so I'm trying to like make it in this style. And then we're gonna have a ninja starfish, which is this starfish. And then this guy is based off that guy. I made him a little cuter, although I do think I want to make him fatter and also give him spikes. But anyway, all right, working on the clownfish. Yeah, I know art is typically not the most interesting thing to watch, but whatever, I'm streaming it. Okay, so here, and then and that. I also have, let's see, is this open? Yeah, I'm going to close this window. I have some pictures of clownfish that I'm using. This is going to be massive. Yep, great. So I can see like exactly what's happening. Also let me see what I have open here because I don't want everything open. Okay, we're doing okay on Windows. I'm going to close that one. Okay, cool. Now, I had wanted to give it a little more character, but I think we're just going to have to say fuck it to that for right now. So, yeah. So, there's one around the head like this, and then there's one, it's really close to its eyes actually, which is interesting, because we could move that, but it's a little late. Okay, and then there's one that goes between there and the belly, and then there's finally one that goes right there around the tail. So, doing what I can, brother. Inside you, and I'm going to expand that stroke. A little more appropriate. I'm going to go to layer, expand stroke, and then we will make that. I don't know if I love this black. I made it, kind of made this whole thing off of just looking at some again, AI generated art that I liked, and I was like, oh, I really like the colors, and so I kind of picked through the colors that I liked and made this palette. And then, I mean, that's the whole story. But I didn't pick a black. And I thought I was gonna stay away from using a black, but I don't know. I think we need a little black here. A little bit of diversity. Okay, there's that. Again, we'll go ahead and throw that in here, make that bigger. That's pretty thonk. Layer, and expand stroke. And then we're going to add the black here. Okay, cool. And there's basically most of the clownfish there for us. Now I'm going to try and do a little bit of shading. I'm also going to do to it, you know? And then we'll start doing some cell shading on top of that. Okay. We need our lighter orange here for this. Not bad. Not bad. I swear there was something I wanted to do here. I don't remember now. Anyway, okay, so now I also want to put on this one something like that, and then we'll put that inside that. And then now that looks better. And then up here, I don't think I'm gonna add that. I think that looks, I mean, you're gonna be seeing it from pretty far away anyway. Kinda looks like shit, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, son. But whatever. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna call that done, dude. Like maybe I'll do a little cell shading up here. Is that this one? That is that one. Oh, we already got this. That is perfect. Make sure that's prime. It's a little thick. Good. I don't know if I love that little mound. It's kind of cute, I guess, but at the same time it's kind of shitty. They added a lot of detail around all these fins, which I don't think I want to do. I mean, it's definitely shitty, but whatever, dude. I think this is gonna be it, dude. Yeah, alright, we'll call him done right now. Now, I did want to make this guy bigger, but I don't know if I'm really going to. I want to see, this is what I originally wanted, like the spikes and shit, because he's gonna be going around hitting people. I don't think those would be too hard to do, right? Are these any of them? They do come like off his eyes and shit, which is interesting. Oh shit. First off, let's make sure we're in this. And then now we can start. Actually, I think I'll do those last. So for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and start actually doing most of the stuff. So that's the main curve there. And I think we're gonna make him kind of sand tone like this. We'll see if I want to make him more vibrant or something. Yeah, we'll keep on that. This is like the cool design, I don't like it. But it's literally the color of the sand, which is gonna be a problem because yeah, well, let's go that one. Our highlight color. Also, all of this, none of this is using the correct black. See, one thing I did that I really liked actually with all the corals and stuff I made. Let's see if I'll present the corals. Is I try to keep the outlines not the kind of a darker color of the color. But I feel like that is kind of more of a background thing, and for like actual characters, you don't really see that as much because we want them to stand out. Like everything here has got it. I mean, if we go any video game ever, the outline is usually a really dark black, or at least it's consistent. They're not kind of consistent. I think it's a little odd. Really helps them stick out. But I might thin it out a little bit. It's very poignant or dark. Okay. I think I'm literally just gonna take these. Alright, that's pretty cute, bro. That's pretty cool, dude. Just a smile. It's pretty fucking cute. Okay, that's yeah. That's adorable, dude. Group those eyes is one thing, and then got these other things. And what color do we want to make those? We want to make them pop a little bit. So I mean, obviously, if we stay true to fashion, they'd probably be black or something. We could do something like this. It's kind of interesting. They're yellow there. I don't know how well yellows. No. Orange. You know what? I don't mind orange. This should go below the body there, like that. And then the hat here is going. Oh, we go purple. That's great, dude. That'll fucking do. Yeah, that's a really good purple. I like that. I like it a lot. Oh, why did it switch? Oh, because that's the. Honestly, though, I mean, I like it. Also, oh yeah, this is also supposed to go. This is for Diana. Diana is supposed to be. Well, here. This is the wrong color palette. I don't even know how I did that. We don't have a comparable kind of like blue-black color like that. Wait, so are these even? Did I choose? I don't know now if I chose these from Anime Bright. Anime Bright is a color palette I made a long time ago. Yeah, okay. A long time ago, based on Studio Ghibli. And yeah, big fan. Okay, and then now we just need to make, this is it, this is also it, these ones are also it, so we'll go here, and group that as our hat, and that should be behind, there we go, it's starting to look like a thumb. Eyes up front, not too bad. This is supposed to be a fold. Let's take that down a notch. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna draw this in with a brush instead. Not that it might add a little bit more authenticity to it, but it might be shite. Okay. I don't know if I want to add little like things like this. I mean, they definitely know this thing. But this is a parrotfish. This thing is a pufferfish. Maybe a parrotfish is a type of pufferfish. on our dark that we're using over there. What we actually want is to be kind of far off. Because why would you do that? Now, obviously we need those to be behind. I just don't think it needs it. I always try to do too much. So this black, or this color here that I have for that head, is not in the palette. So the question is, do we keep it? I mean, it works. Like that's a great combo right there. Rather, I mean, I'm not fucking doing that. I mean, I don't really see a whole lot of other options. Actually, that works. We're gonna do that because I'd like to stick to a palette. For our skull there, and then I think I wanted to do this hat to copy it, and then make this like that same red color, and then this one should be inside of this one. That good. Where do they put all these freaking? I don't even think I put these guys. This on. Well, these not one. I think that's it. That was an accident, if I had to guess. Is this in? Oh, this is in the public page. Okay, great. Let's do that though. These are pretty freaking cute. Pretty freaking cute. I can see some myself. So, I'm gonna put these guys and group them so I stop getting confused here. Put you up there with eyes. And these are those. I'm gonna see if I put in here, do I like the way that looks? Not really. I mean, clearly these ones turned out better than those ones on top. Definitely think it adds something to it, but you know, I'm just gonna try and use the head tool instead of the sheet. It's not cheating, but I kind of think of it as cheating whenever you use that with actual brushes. But sometimes it does just come out better, man. What would it look like if I just did those two? like claws. I like it. It should be claws. There. Not bad. This one, I think this one should be in the front. I don't know, dude. That looks a little fucking weird to me. It probably should be, but I think it looks fine to be behind it, and I just kind of like it better. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Cool. Now we need to, oh, it's right there. It's right there, dude. Now we need to add some spikes. Face. I don't know why you keep doing that. It's right there, dude. It looks like these spikes kind of do well some this. Like that's kind of what they do. And then, well, those look really, yeah, let's keep them short. I don't need to make them humongous. In fact, it would kind of ruin the character. We'll see if I mean, I definitely want him to have these, because his whole thing is he runs around and smacks people, so it'd be weird. Not bad, man. Not bad. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put these in a group so that when I start making them, they'll be collected. Honestly, I think I could probably get away with just reusing this thing. Horizontal. Oh, except these can't be in a group because these ones have to go behind. So those will be the front-facing ones. Oh, I put those in the face. I guess that's fine, actually. And then these ones will have to go here. Actually, I would put this in the group as well, to be honest. That's fine by me. Oh, except then puts it over the eyes, which, well, that's actually easily do. Easily do that. Now it's in the group. look right to me. Here's the angle. It's not thick enough. This one's definitely got them coming out on the eyes, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think that would kind of make it look ugly. Group you up. Paste you. Oh, actually, fuck, no, I do want this one to be on that. Right there. I don't like this one. I don't know why. I don't know. Hopefully you can tell it's a blowfish. But yes, okay. Now it's time for a little cell shading. You know, I was thinking though, just as I did that, is that would probably help. There you go. All right, so that works pretty well. And now we'll just do a little bit of cell shading here with that same pink. Okay, now we just have to a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Oh my god. These two, you're coming with me. Was that on the front? Oh, I'm moving back. Front one. This one goes under that one. And this one goes under that one. You. There. Go under that one. And then this one here. Have to check on my little lady because she sounds scared. Not because there's anything wrong, just because I don't want her. She's an old lady. She gets scared. One second. Okay, let's fucking party. Alright, so we're coming back to this. Let me use this. I've done it again. Get behind the freaking. There you go. There you go, lad. Alright, that'll do, I think, for him. I'm afraid that's not what I wanted. If that's the color, shouldn't you... It's never tried to give the lighter color before for me. Never had that one happen. Right, Mr. Hat. That is definitely not light enough. You. Oh. That seems pretty good. I mean, I don't know. I think that's... This is supposed to be a stone. Rock dark, rock line. It should be right there. So yeah, that should work. But it just doesn't look quite right to me. There are definitely many reasons why that could be. Honestly, I think I'm gonna leave it like that. And then for these fins, I'm just gonna give them a Wait, what the fuck happened to this thing? Alright, cool. That's good enough for me. Yeah, screw it. I mean, I could... a little bit of shade underneath this thing, but that color. Sure. I will call that a wrap. Cool, that looks good to me. What else did I want to do? I swear I did want to do this one. What? Why? Oh, because it's doing the group instead of the actual thing here. I'm gonna move that to like here-ish. And then I'll move that like off. Like that. And I also don't understand this choice of red. That looks a lot better. Okay. And it's 9. And we've got... Shit. Okay. Alright, so let's see. If it's 9 and I need to do these 3 characters, the max I can spend on each is 20 minutes. Let's see. I had some plans to draw a lot of other stuff for all of these guys, particularly the Barracuda. I have to, but I think I'm just gonna have to call it quits for these guys. Okay, for you, I think we're gonna go orange again. We could go like that orange. Yeah, I don't mind that. Alright, we'll do that. I also kind of want his arm to be back a little more, like he's like flying fast. You. Group those all together, and then I will. Yeah, we're gonna use that same. I guess I'll actually use this, and we'll do. All these ones are a little cocked though. Should be in the front for sure, and then this right there. Okay, that looks fine. Well, do I want this on top of this? Yeah, you know what? I'll do that. Okay, then again, right here. Drop this down considerably here. I don't know why it always makes your mouse disappear when I do that. Oh, this guy's using real black and not that black. Honestly, I don't think it makes a huge difference either way, but I don't know why those don't look good to me. This is usually like a very easy thing. You kind of just like draw the line and you call it quits, but actually I think something like that's the move, but I think it's just too far. I think also part of the reason is it needs to, yeah, there we go. It needs to match that angle, and I keep taking it to let's do that. Put those in there. I'm just gonna call that good. And then we're just gonna do the eyes here, where I think for the first time, I am not just gonna copy the eyes from the other one. I think I'm gonna do, the way I make circles, I like to do, oh, it's putting everything on the outside, isn't it? Then select them all and you do that. Yeah, I like to do any kind of ellipses like this because it kind of prevents you from doing anything too generic, I feel like. Which is nice. A little, but then in general, like that, of course, and that. I like it. Okay, look at you. We're doing a similar thing with that going on there. Let's cut that. I'm gonna I did put this in the right place. I'm gonna put that inside of that curve, and then I'm gonna put that underneath that one, and then we'll make a duplicate. I'll just put this one on this one here. Shrink it just a tiny bit. They're just putting dots. I don't know how much I love just basic dots. I think that's what it is. And they all seem to make them, this one makes them lighter. This one make them darker. Nice. Okay. Well then, actually, maybe we will make them darker. Yep, don't mind that at all, brother. Brother. Make it a little bigger. Honestly, I think I might call that done. I was gonna put like another band across his mouth so that he couldn't be talking, but I think I'm gonna just not do that. And then, gives them some good depth. Alright, now we'll just do a little bit of cell shading here with some of these colors. Let's go ahead and grab all of these and group them and put them, they're not even in the group, I'll put them within that there. Cool. I don't know, that looks a little too bright to me, but I know this is gonna, yeah, it looks fucking awful. The other option is doing the sand tone here, or the highlight tone. This is like kind of works on everything, but it's very bright, and I don't think this guy deserves to be that bright. Always do. I don't know why I keep doing this. I want this to be thick and get much smaller. Sometimes I think I should just stop and use the pen tool. So much easier to do. And it's a little longer. The problem with that is that you gotta this to be thicker. Why are you open? Whoa. Lighting's all a little bit confusing here. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna keep it nice and thin around there. Come up, and then I'm gonna do this in 2 strokes. Make it a lot thicker like that there. It's crazy though, because you don't even really see that those are the same color. But all right, I'm gonna call that good. And we'll do a little bit of that. It has done that again. Pretty sure they're not the same, but they really look a lot alike. Whatever. Okay, that's Mr. Starfish, and we did that in probably under 10 minutes, so not bad. I'll take that, Mr. Starfish. I actually have no idea if anyone has even watched this stream because I don't have my analytics up. Take a quick second to look at that. I ain't over till it's over, brother. No. No one. I'll give myself a like. Alright. Anyway. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and do Monsieur Seahorse. Oh, you know what? I forgot. Well, close up Mr. Starfish. There is Monsieur Barracuda. This is what I based this guy off of, and I would base like kind of yoinked it, honestly. But yeah, I don't think I need to reference it really, because I'm not gonna do the arms, and then rather than do just a bunch of bumps, I just made one so it looks like his pec. And then this is also gonna just be darker to actually look at the seahorse. Yeah, we'll do that. And then the fill will be, do that, could do that. I think we've used that color a lot. I'll stick with a light blue, make it nice and pretty. That might be a little too light, but wait, what is happening here? What the fuck? No, dude, why would that happen? What is this? What the hell is happening? Oh, okay, not bad. We can fix that. I can fix that. So I don't understand why that is happening. Now I do. This, well, actually, I can break chain, I think. So then I don't have to redraw that shit. Yeah, break curve. There you go. this right there is not supposed to exist. And then I will just do this there. Call that a day. Alright, call that a day. There. Alright, looks good to me. And then we'll make you darker blue there. Actually, it's kind of cool. It's like an accent color. When I did draw eye stuff. There you are. That looks real thick. This, he's still not. The pressure gradient is saved, which I don't want. Wait, this and the eye, the fill should be the dasher right there. We could make him have cooler eyes, I guess. Maybe yellow. No, keep that. Yellow. Don't think orange. Go for a red. Definitely not that dark of a red, but maybe I can see pink. It's a lot though. Yeah, you know what? Or do we make that the highlight? Keep it simple. No, I don't like it as the highlight color because we're gonna say that's its actual eye color in this one. I like the pink. I'm gonna go with the pink. Okay, now a few more things to do here. I swear these look bigger. They are. What is this? 0.5. What is this? 0.9. No, dude. I'm just gonna fix that by doing that. There you go. And then let's do this. Make sure that is set to 0.5. Hit enter, right? Why the hell isn't it? Oh, because I didn't put that in the group. All right. There she goes. Okay, now let's put that underneath you, and then put the magnet on. I want that to clip wherever the hell this point is. I don't really want to do it for some reason. It's a soft point. You know what? I'm gonna delete this and start over because I don't really. There you go. And then honestly, we can just. Actually, no, we don't want to do that. I do want to do this. Why? That is 0.5. Oh, because it's outside. Boom, boom. That, a little bit of that. Yeah, there you go. There you fucking go. Right, put you in here. Except I don't want this to be black. Actually, I want it. We'll make this a darker, like this kind of color, and then these should be. Oh, that didn't look how I expected it to look. I was hoping that would be. We'll do that, and then. That's what I was hoping for. I don't know if that makes sense. But the idea was that because it's facing the light, it should have a little reflection. It's 917. Already moving a lot fucking slower on this guy. Okay. Let's put this here. And there. Oh, what the fuck? Hey. This here and have this go like this. Okay. Then we do this. We put inside you, and then we make it to this color. Okay, not that. Oopsies. Actually, I like that. Nice. And then this should have an outline to it. I don't know why that looks so choppy to me. Should I give him a fucking six-pack here? I kind of like the lines I drew before. Well, actually, these, like that, aren't too bad. This could be longer. Yeah, I'll make that one longer. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna do too much else. We're gonna leave it like that. Except for these blades here. I would like to all right. Yeah, can't really think of anything else. All right, and let's go ahead. I kind of don't love it on this though.
that's nice and subtle. And then the same thing here. Don't know why they chose that yellow though. You know what, let's, nope. Let's do, I know, let's do that. Pull it real far back. So this is like none. Nah, it's like it's just touching. Tad. Okay, cool. Then just a little cell shading, and we'll call it a seahorse. Which we do want to do all of this in this curve here. Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. And then we'll do a little bit of that. A little bit of that, you know. Is this color? It looks alright about this. I like that. And this one. That's very dark, but I do think it works. I think this is the color we're using. No, it's not, but I don't like that one. Too dark. Is this the color we're using? I think it is. So then this is probably pretty... It's really not that dark, is it? I think that's the move, but it is very dark. There's also this as an option. I'm kind of feeling that. I think it might be too big for me to do by hand. Holy dick. I cannot fucking draw, can I? I don't know why. That doesn't look great to me, but whatever. I'm gonna just shrunk the brush size down for this. And then come back here and make it thicker. Right there. Cool. We'll do a little bit of that right there. Maybe if I made that a little less extreme. Yeah, remove it. 'Cause the other thing is, this is how most people are going to see it, right? Something like that. Even like that. It's funny. I think the seahorse. No, the clownfish is my least favorite. Clownfish is fucking dumb. I hate the way it looks. I really hate it. I don't know, but there's no time to fix it. Okay. I'll do that. Maybe a bit much. There. Alright, I'm gonna call that done, I think. Yeah, I don't love it, but there it is. Okay, now the Barracuda is going to be tough because I still have a lot to do. I did that by 9:30. I'm doing alright. I did 3 characters in 30 minutes, so I'm actually doing well. Except this is where I think things are going to slow down for me. When did I do that? When did I make it so that they clip the off screen? You have to choose that setting. So I like this character. I'm going to be basing my character off this character. First, gonna make it not look like shit. Why? Why you do that? Alright. That's looking good to me. Did I took a picture of an actual Barracuda. Where did I put that shit? There we go. That's a good one. I like the stylistic choice here to make it all blue except for the mouth to make that knot. So we'll see. Maybe I'll do that. I definitely like the vest. That's the one thing I really obviously not the boot. It's kind of cool that he's got like a chunk out of his tail. I think I might actually do that as well. The barracudas do have like very sharp fins. Okay, and then I'm going to give him like a little chunk out of his tail. And the way I do that is usually just like that. Alright, like that. That's called character, baby. These ones definitely should be higher given what I'm seeing. They actually look like they're kind of forward leaning. Look at that. Thing is though, they're of course very sharp, which this is currently not. Sure, we'll do something like that. Actually, I'm just gonna make this hard stop. Also this one. Actually, I don't like that one being hard stop. We'll do that and just slice it down. I don't like that one being a hard stop either. But it just doesn't seem to wanna. Actually, that'll do. It's weird that they look good like this because they really are basically fucking this, like basically going straight up and down here. The other thing they do, which I don't know if it matters, is they kind of do like a little bit like a build on almost. Like this kind of, nope. Goes like that. I do think that does a little something. A little something, something. Stop fucking with those after I fuck with it a little more. After I fuck with it just a little bit more, I'm gonna stop fucking with it. But I did realize that the perspective looked a little off here. Actually, you know what I can do is just skew it and just paste it there. Alright, that's fine. Everything's fine. Okay, there's Monsieur Barracuda. I think I'm going to do something similar to what I did there, which is pretty easy to do. You know what I didn't do for him, I did in all the other ones, was add 2 eyes. Maybe don't make them that special. It doesn't look any better. Actually, I do think it looks a little better if we move this up. What the fuck, dude? So it is a group. Why the hell didn't it let me move it? Oh, you know what we also haven't done is make sure that it is red. Ok, bellissimo. It's just the dumbest fucking thing. If you're on the paint tool, you can't delete for some reason. I don't also love the way I did this. Vest. Oh, I didn't draw him a little fins. I should. It's kind of cool the way theirs are, is that they looks like that they've got a little paper there. Lock lion. Nope. A little bit of an arch going on there. This definitely comes in like that. Grab the fucking thing. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. That'll be a spin. I think I want to give him another eye. Looks fucking bizarre. I mean, that's obviously not right. Also, we'd want like a cover on this side. It kind of looks like bubbles. Raven, hey man, sorry I just saw this. Actually, I'm gonna put my phone in. Game is going, man. Just doing art right now. Obviously, but yeah, it's going all right. It's not gonna be everything I hoped, which is classic of a game jam, but you know, it'll be something. Mute the game. Okay, there we go. Now I've got my chat very well visible on my phone here, so I can actually see it. So it pops in there. But yeah, if you're still there, Raven, sorry for not responding. But yeah, man, just you know, doing this thing, living this thing we call life. Yeah, I took his down a lot further. Okay, I want to do that and this and fill it now. I don't exactly know what I'm going to fill with. I mean, he's definitely more of like a silvery color in real life. It's not bad, actually. I mean, it's a little boring, but hopefully the vest will make up for that. We don't really have a green, though, which is kind of important for that vest. I love how it kind of looks like a little grenade. That's very cool, actually. But yeah, we have... I guess we can do that. Yeah, we'll do that. I think that's the best bet. Yeah, we'll do that. And then I also really like this like thick rope neck type of thing. This is, what the hell? This is just like, I can't believe it made this. This is such a cool design. I love it. But yeah, let's go ahead and do there to there. And I'm gonna make a little thing like that. And then we're basically trying to mimic that curve so that now can make that stroke that color, or even now we'll do that color. We'll thicken that up there. And then I'm going to make the ends bricked like that. I'm gonna go layer, dot expand stroke, and then I'm gonna take all these corners here, and actually we could probably get away with using the contour tool. I've just basically undid what I did though. Actually, you know what? Yeah, there's no reason for that. Oh yeah, you can't do it from there for some reason. Layer. I wish you could. Expand stroke. Okay, now we want that one to be that's part of the problem, is that this does not extend. It should be bigger than his body to make it like, so you can see kind of the girth of it, I guess. Okay, cool. I don't love that green, but I think that's what we got, man. This is a tough bit of perspective here. Actually, with this one, we actually do want these to finish off. So these should be thicker than these here. These are getting further away. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna, well, yeah, I'm gonna cheat and just give him an eye patch. And, it's gonna be kind of tough to do here. But I'm gonna do a little. Where does it attach? Is the question. Like, how is it being held on to this man? I like it, but still needs that. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Alright, let's start consolidating a few things here so that we're all in the same group and I'm not getting totally lost. These are all the teeth. No. And they should be... See, I'm taking way longer on this dude because I basically had to make it. The other ones I made already. Actually, I think, well, these two fins at least, I'm gonna make them like an accent color like that. I don't know if I want to do that in this one. Yeah, I think that one. That one. From New Zealand. Hi, my name's Aaron from New Zealand. Doesn't sound anything like New Zealand. Alright, make that a wee bit thicker there, and then we'll make that this color, and layer dot expand stroke. Keep it consistent. Yeah, that's fine. We can probably get away with just expanding that because I don't want to have to deal with all this stuff. All right. Affinity Designer for some reason just doesn't let you go back and forward as well as other programs do. Okay. It's supposed to be up till midnight. It is 10. How is it 10? What? How did it get to be 10? Alright, I'm just gonna finish this shit up, dude. Wait, where the fuck is this fin? was gonna do more. No. We're just gonna call that a D. Yeah, there's also this one. I thought that was cool. That's where I got these teeth from. Anyway. Yeah, I'm just gonna get to that. Okay, where are those teeth? I was gonna do more to these teeth. Give me all these guys. Grab all of them. Make them circular like that. And we're just gonna do. This is the type of thing that just doesn't matter. But I do it because I'm fucking psycho. Like, if this was, you know, a game I was making, I would obviously take the time, but I should not be doing this on a game jam. Okay. Cool. And then those will be pearly whites. Alright, there's Monsieur Barracuda. And the last thing is, second to last thing. Why the hell is that green? It's so funny. It works like sometimes very, very well, and other times just absolutely does not work. That's not that color. It's absolutely not going to work for us. Love that. Okay, I can do that. I can fuck with that. I can fuck with that. Again, what is this color you have chosen for me? Wow, that's like a crazy blend, dude. That doesn't even look like it's really darkening that much. Let me go over to this one. That looks weird. That almost looks lighter, I think. You know what? I think I'm just going to make that one black and pull it real far. Oh, if you can't. Oh, did that work? I think it did kind of work. Yeah. It's too dramatic. Why is Nemo open? Nah, that's too light, dude. I mean, I really don't want to invent another color, but I don't think any of these are gonna fucking work on that. I mean, obviously the black would work, but that looks lighter. I'm just gonna have to make one up here. Oh, I was like, why am I not seeing this? So let's go over to this one here. And then let's just there we go. Saturate it all the way and then bring it down. There you go. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and add that color. Really shouldn't have done that because it's not really in the theme, but that's fine. Okay. That could work, but I don't think it really does. No, that does not work. That works. That's better. Is that the same color as that? I think it is, but it's funny because you just don't necessarily notice all those things. Brain makes you think things that might not think if you weren't thinking. You ever think about that? I just made that up. It's not from anything. This is the color we're using, right? Yeah. We could use this, but I think it's gonna be too warm. Yeah. Stick with the true highlight here. I hate when I have to fix these this way. He's not alive. She's not alive. Alright, and then I want it to be in there, but that one should also have it. Oh, look at these. Look at that. Huh. Now that should go there. Really, this is all best. And then this should go. This is his mouth, huh? You know what? Fuck it. That is good enough. Okay, there are our main characters, folks. Oh yeah. Now we just have to make the weapons and the enemies. Where? Oh, there's Kenny's fish pack. Let me see what fucking rat nut, dude. Yeah, they fit right in, man. Oh no. Well, I just don't have time to make good ones, so I think we just don't really have a choice. These are the enemies. It's amazing that they're like dead on fucking. Oh, so they just put all of them in a group with him, which I don't want. Yeah, the clownfish is my least favorite, but what are you gonna do? I actually like the music I got from, I think it's all from, besides DOS 88, which this one is not, it's all from Music Studio, YouTube Music Studio, which is pretty cool. Alright, for these ones, I think I'm literally just gonna trace them, like, no differentiation whatsoever. What on earth is happening right now? Actually, I want to make, I like that face enough to copy it. Actually, I mean, we don't need to make that. Just do this. be done with all these guys by 10, 15, say 10, 20. Whatever, that's good enough, honestly. Is that the closest thing to black we've got? I guess that looks pretty cool. Pretty fucking lit. That's also something, but I actually think I prefer that. We could do brown. Well, let's see. I'm gonna give them red eyes. We'll see how they look. Make that smaller. Rick and Morty eyes. That's good enough for government work, as they say. I don't know. Shall say. I think it just adds so much, and it's relatively easy to do. Can I mask to the group? No. Nope. Alright, there you go. That's what I call enemies. Okay, let's do that again. Okay. Honestly, I'm gonna steal the tail from this guy. Just paste it here. And then I think I should just be able to do a few small tweaks and get it to where it needs to be. So it can work over here. I'm also going to steal this eye. Actually, group, copy, paste. Actually, I do kind of also like kind of like fine right off the bat right there. That's me. These ones can do a little bit of tweak there. Do that. cool. The guy looks alright. Yeah, most definitely stealing this tail, this eye, the backbone, this fin, honestly. Alright. Oh, fuck, I said 10:20, didn't I? I think I'll actually knock this out by 10:30 though, so I'll take that as a win. Oh. Interesting, I did that color for him, huh? Yeah, we'll stick with that. I kind of like the vibrancy of these ones, actually. Oh. And time. 10:30 on the fucking dot. Okay, so I did basically all the art for my game in like 4 hours today, and I don't think it looks too bad, to be honest. Honestly, the enemies might be kind of my favorite part right now. I should have just stuck to dead simple 2D shit, not trying to get complicated with all this shit. But okay, so there are the enemies. No. Do this, put you in the center. Hop into export persona, and we will then, great about that. Now we can just go ahead and name all these here. Nemo. Blowfish. Starfish. Seahorse. Barracuda. Okay, give that a save. I didn't save this? Holy shit, dude. Okay. Characters. Export slices. No. Robot game. Project files. Images. Folder. Characters. Oh, that's the import file. Why are there so many files there? Okay, sweet. And then boom, they're all exported to their own little file. Yeah, announced on the party. The only thing that I have to do is make the projectiles. The projectiles and the EXP. So that's just 4 things though, and I think I'm gonna keep it pretty fucking simple here. God. So we want 128, and then we're gonna make, we have 3 projectiles? 4 plus, or 3 plus the thing, so, oh, that's perfect. So we can just cool. Let's go ahead and do this. Here you are. Why is it on Anime fucking Bright again? There you go. There's a mine. Actually, I actually think that looks pretty cool. I guess. Whoops. Oopsies. This is where the light's coming from. Alright, that'll do. Honestly, I might have liked it better before I did that. That's fine. Oh wait, we don't have to do the star projector. I already did that one. So all we need is a bubble. He is a projectile. We need the bubble. This is the mine for him, and his is already done. Okay, nice. This is actually great. All right, let's get this done by 10:50. Okay, bubble. Oh, I'm on fucking... Stop doing this to me. Okay, so Z's fun. I'm not going to give it a black outline, I don't think. I think we're going to give it the white outline. And then... I don't exactly know how I'm going to do this here. I might have to look at the bubble. Oh yeah, I forgot. No, I don't want a white background. We want, this is the line. And then we'll do, oh my god, no, this is ocean. These don't look right to me. That's fine, I guess. actually, I think this, because this is a shine, it kind of makes sense to be almost perfectly circular here. That's all they did, right? Oh no, they put this on that side. Oh, I see what they did. Okay. It's got to be a little bit off center, eh? Nice, quite on center. Quite the contrary. And we'll just add a little bit of tweaking here to make it a little something special. Not too much. I don't know, I don't really like the way it looks. I'll be honest with you. Not really loving these blues. It's interesting though, because maybe it just doesn't work with this style here. Actually, yeah, that'll do. You know what I didn't do on this one? Let's give it a little something like that. I can tell. Making a sphere is just like very easy. Shit like this. Oh, but you can kind of see. Alright, no. I honestly think I fucked this bubble up a little too much. Okay, and now we just need like a experience shard. The crazy thing about something like this is it's simple enough where you actually could just use it right in your game, but the rules are no AI art, so I might even be violating them, but it's kind of bullshit. Because I mean, like, most of this stuff is just garbage. I mean, look at this third leg. This is amazing, but a lot of stuff is actually really, really good. But I just can't imagine you could actually this I could have just absolutely yoinked, but I kind of just copied a little bit. Oh my god, no, dude. You know what am I doing? It's, how hard is it to just make a little fucking... That's not what I wanted you to do. I wanted you to remain flat, sharp, just with a little bit of rounded corners. Actually, you know what? Do that. It might be better to just... I think I'm gonna... No, you know what I'm gonna fucking do? I'm gonna do the thing that I was doing. I've done this like 30 times. This is gonna be it. I was doing something like... Let's see, just make a sphere. And we'll keep... I don't know what color exactly I want it to be. We'll do that, and then... Well, actually, this is supposed to be the color of that line, huh? There's that, and then you do that. And this goes inside of that. And you go like that. Why is that? See, I don't remember it looking quite that dark. That doesn't look too magical to me. Like, are you gonna even know that that's fucking experience, dude? on this fucking one. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna keep it like that. And then, wait, what am I doing? Alright, now it kind of looks like it's glowing. Okay. I'm actually come in here and grab this. Okay. Save this as weapons. Okay, and then we're gonna hit export. Bum, 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 bum. Images. What was called items. Okay. Boom. Okay. Now that's everything. Okay. Hell out of here. Save it. Okay, let's open up Godot. I think I might need to go get a water because my brain is just fried. We've only got an hour left before I gotta go to bed, so things are not looking good. I do have to go to work tomorrow, but I'm thinking about calling in and asking to work remote and then working on this all day. Because everything I do, it doesn't really require me to be at work or work during certain hours. So basically as long as I deliver. So I'm thinking it feels weird, but I think I'm gonna go ask for the day, ask to work at home, then kind of work on this mostly and do the bare minimum of answering texts or anything like that. And then the game jam submission is at 4 p.m. So if I do this until then, and then I can just do the rest of my work till like 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. and we'll call it a day. Test game. We also have not made a thing for this. Just gonna one stream. I don't know why, but Godot is really lagging. It is lagging a little bit. I don't know why. I don't have that much open. I am. There's some shaders I really wanted to implement here, but I don't think we're going to. I wanted to get basically have a shader that kind of did this over the whole floor, I don't know. I have to actually make that one. I can't just get it off Godot or Godot shaders. The good thing is though, ChatGPT can actually just write a fucking shader now. It's that good. It's pretty amazing. So I could probably give it some basic shader code and say like, make this do this, and it'll probably just do it. Today, I mean, this would have taken me a lot longer to do, but what I was able to do is in World 1 we had this floor tile map, and I made ChatGPT write me this function. Well, I mean, I had to do a lot of tweaking, but basically it randomly places floor tiles. So right now, what it's doing is it's just, oh, I do need to do that actually. You can see that it's placing them randomly, and then so you've got this kind of texture, but I don't know, I imagined the tiles being larger. Those are the mines right there. Oh, he's hurt. All right. Anyway, remember I said I was gonna get a break. Maybe I should. But winners never quit. And quitters never give up. There you go. Okay, so basically, I'm going to double this size, save, and then save as. It's going to be, replace that. Okay, quit. Okay, cool. Now that is almost certainly going to fuck this up. So now we have to come in here and fix this. Let's see. Oh, wait, why is the hover not working, dude? Alright. Oh, what? Wait, what the hell, man? What the fuck? Alright, well, I guess I'll add another one. Ah, that's why. Or is it? Oh, yes, tile set. Oh, Jesus Christ, scared the fuck out of me, dude. Oh no, the texture region is that, but the tile size is 256 by 256. There we go. Okay, now ID is 1, which this should be caps. I keep bouncing back and forth between so many coding languages now that like I start doing stuff like in the one I'm using for like Microsoft app development. You always type for all, and I keep doing that because okay. Oh, let's see if that broke anything. Okay, nice. That's more what I wanted for the sand. The game's lagging, I think that's just hopefully the stream. Okay, cool. Oh, that's also part of this. Okay, now in this also, so I made a Coral class that takes all those things that you saw me make and just puts them, it just randomly chooses one. So what I'm going to do is basically on this, in the set random tile function, I'm going to we'll set like a map of percentages of like, you know, spawn nothing is like 40%, maybe less, 30%. Spawn 1 is X%, spawn 2, spawn 3 type of thing. And then we just pick random coordinates within that tile. Yeah, okay. Yeah, queen. But that's not, right now I want to go ahead and get, so this is now going to be right here, and we're going to say, sprite. I really wish I normalized that. So, bubble blaster. Oh, this is seahorse. Oh, wait, no. Okay. Okay, finally we're gonna do this. This is a collision shape, not the hitbox. Still can't die right now. My teammates can die, but he can't die right now. Right. 2D dot. 2D dot. What is it called? It's not texture anymore. It is texture. Texture. Set. Texture. Load. Character. Underscore data. Why are you doing this to me? Sprite. Let's see if that works. Oh, but it's still modulating them. I kind of like the green seahorse. Basically, That's what I was using to differentiate them. Cool, okay. Then we're gonna go back here. Where do I do? Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Now what we can do is go to the bomb. And now I can delete all these things. And get rid of that. Mine. Cool. I'm gonna go to bouncing projectile scene, and cool. And then bullet scene. Now this one I actually want to do a little more because nope, not. Damn, it's starting to lag again. Looks like a good amount of rotation there, if you ask me. Okay. Why is it lagging? Weird, it's only lagging. Now it's not. I wonder if I go back and it starts lagging again? A little bit. That's interesting. It's not lagging in the 2D space. Huh. Those are appearing in front of the sprite, which I don't want. Yeah, no, it's still lagging. I don't really know why, but it is. Here's where you set the texture. on scale. Yeah. Ah, but I think. Now, I don't know why the game, or the whole fucking thing just started lagging like crazy. Yeah, too little too late, you son of a bitch. Actually, I might need that. Not sure, yeah, a little bit. What would be causing this lag? I don't have shit open. I'll probably try closing the editor in a second, but I'm too lazy to make the we'll keep them yellow. Course. Yeah, I think the camera zoom or needs to be zoomed a wee bit more. See, I want to get the starfish and just see how it looks. There you go. I like that, actually. It doesn't really look like it's spinning though. The other thing is we should probably do times delta. Oh, you know what? We're also messing with the skew the whole time. Skew equals sine 10? Oh, whew. Okay. I was like, am I fucking stupid? Because I actually do kind of want this, I want to do this for the bubble. It's kind of a good look for something like that. Come on, dude. The lag is fucking incredible. that, and then I'm gonna go. Here's bouncing projectile. We need to close some of these, maybe. Just open them back up in a second. Explosion. Oh yeah. You know, I'll keep the explosion as it is right now. Bouncing projectile. Here we go. Physics process. Am I just doing plus equals 1? Oh yeah, because in this case, it's kind of in this case, but counter plus equals 1. And now, don't really even need that because I'm not using it. Here, times 2 over 10. And this just kind of gives it like a weird wobbly look. Let's see if I can get this. Oh, of course I get 2 of these guys. How does that happen twice in a row, dude? Give me the fucking seahorse. Don't make me. Oh my god, who better cool with us? I'm going to slow that down a little bit. I think that's just the magnitude. Still gotta get there. You are. Get lucky. That's fine. Okay. Obviously, instead of fading out, the bobble should pop. But I'm not doing that. Actually, it wouldn't be too hard to just do it, but I'm not going to because it's already late. All right. So anyway, that's there. I'm doing a lot of polish shit right now. But I just made all these sprites and they're going to be in the game, damn it. Okay, so what was I missing? There's one more thing I wanted to do. Base enemy. I do need to put the enemies in. I also want to make them like orient the way that they're looking. I haven't really fucked with the enemies almost at all. So for right now, I'm just going to add in the... maybe 2 spray to this thing. I think that's all I have to do, actually. As you can see, it kind of works. Obviously, part of the problem is that lagging so hard. Tell you what, it doesn't look like a good game. Now, I don't know, dude. I kind of want to give up, to be honest. I'm looking at this and I'm like, it looks like shit. One thing, let me fix the camera. Oh yeah, also I set the enemy's health like super duper high just for testing so I could make sure the attacks were working. Obviously they will not die or not be this hard to kill. So I guess we could make it so that equals dirt at angle. Now does Sprite have a yeah, it does have flip V. Can we just do if dir.x is negative? No, because it has to do with rotation, doesn't it? So we can just say if rotation zero. This is 90. So if rotation is between 90 and 180. rotation is greater than 90 and rotation less than 180, then we're gonna probably need to do this at some point. For sprite equals sprite dot flip v equals true, else flip v equals false. I can't imagine it's actually that simple. I don't understand why it's not flipping. Rotation is great. Oh my god. Wait. Yeah. I'm confused. So if it's between so it's really only if it's between here or here. So it's greater than, so if it's between, yeah, negative, no, wait. If it is between 90 and, I don't know, we'll say, what's half of that? 90 and, 225. Oh my god. Come on, leave him alone. Why is it having so much fucking trouble, dude? Current state. Equal state. I think that's why it's pausing right now. that right there should not happen. Wait, how the fuck are the rotation degrees negative? Well, that's not great, is it? Or between negative 90 and negative 180. That's weird. Is it worse? So right around here is where I want it to flip, right? Why is that negative 125? What the fuck, dude? I don't understand. I thought that because I'm getting dir.angle from a normalized vector, that it shouldn't be this weird game here. This is negative 90, so I'm basically saying if it is less than negative 90, it should flip Z. Or rotation degrees is less than negative 90. Oh, I don't really know why, but it is working. code right here. So first, don't have sprite at on ready var. Equals sprite 2D. No, that's fine. Now we just have to set our rotation. Say rotation equals input dir dot angle. Oh no, we need, that's not right. Interesting. Okay, so that's not that interesting, actually. Should we go plus pi times 2? What? Why aren't we're just... What? If we get the velocity, the angle of our velocity, that's what we want, right? But we want to flip that angle by 180 degrees. Or we could just fucking do this. Yeah, let's do that. Tell you what, that was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. Okay, what I wanted to do in here was make it so that some characters would rotate. Right now it's just him and Barry the Blowfish. And then we'll put the exact same code in character. And then we'll do that. And then I'm going to movimiento. Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna say var rotate equals false. And then here we're gonna say rotate equals character data dot get, what's it called, rotate false. Yeah, so basically it's gonna look for this key. That's right, that's how I spelled it. Yeah. And then if it finds it, it's gonna put the value as true. And then if it there you go. And if it doesn't find it, then it's just gonna return false. So it just sets it as false. And that's how we do that. And then in the movement code, we simply say if rotate, then do this. Otherwise, don't do that. And now, some of them will rotate. Dude, they look so much more like fish. Can't fucking see shit, but this is how you cheese it. Okay. Should probably make the world spawn, huh? No. Great, we have randomized there. Okay, now what we want to do is what we want to do is basically roll dice, right? Var roll equals rand. Can you do rand f? But that's just totally random, right? Let's see. Oh, this is exactly what I want. Rand f between 0 and 1. Perfect. So basically, we want that. Yes, so rand f between 0 and 1. And then we can just do something based on percentages. So then we can say, well, you don't even have to make this. We can just say match rand f can you do that? Yeah, we have to use fucking ifs and elifs. Ugh. Okay, so var roll equals that, and we say if roll. Play what, like 30% of the time they'll be empty? No, let's say 20% of the time they're empty. Is greater than 0.2. Well, we actually want to do less than, greater than 0.9, since in the 90th percentile. Var corals equals 0. This would be an int. Corals equals 4. And then we'll say elif roll greater than 0.8. Corals equals 3. Just keep doing this, brother. Probably do that. Therein lies the problem. So the max we want to spawn is 4. So say that in 90. Greater than 0.75. And then we just say for coral and corals. I mean, yeah, you could do that with corals, but for coral and corals, we don't have to do range anymore. I forgot. For coral and corals, what we want to do is to spawn a new coral at a random position within the tile size, which is 256, right? So say var pos equals vector 2 xy plus vector 2 randi range negative 256 like that. Okay, and then this will be our position that randomly spawns it within where we're going to place the tile, basically. Although I'm actually going to run all this code after. Okay, roll equals randef corals equals this. For coral and corals, get a random point. Now this definitely could end up in some corals overlapping and some ugly things that might come out of that. We'll see how bad that actually is. If it's not that bad, then whatever, obviously. Okay. Oh. You know what we could also do to solve that? Because the only thing that's going to be a problem overlapping is the shadow. And so basically what we could do is use a raycast, and then when the node is spawned, we hit that raycast once. We say, look in the direction of your shadow, and if you hit another object, then change your z height minus equals 1. Well, actually, you would do equals that object's z height minus 1. So that way, if it chained, it would work. But anyway, now we actually need to spawn these. So we'll say coral and corals. Coral equals coral interesting. Oh, because for, I guess, type densities. Var underscore coral equals coral scene dot instantiate. It's fucking midnight, dude. Good. Actually, in this case, I could just get underscore parent add child. looks like that didn't work. Oh, there's one. Oh, yeah. It's because these are vector eyes. They're like 0, 0, and you know the biggest one is like 300. Also, I'm doing fucking minus. So that doesn't help. Hey! We got corals. There's a lot of them. Jesus Christ, there's a lot. They're also all are not varying, which is weird to me because they should be. We shouldn't have to set. So if you look here, we've got all the coral information, and then you know what? It's because. Alexa, lights on. Interesting. So, what I need to do. I haven't brushed my teeth yet. I need to do that. What I need to do here is just to simply. I could either call set coral. Or I just do this. Function ready set coral. And that's it. I can't believe that, dude. What a fucking change, man. How much better does that look? That's incredible, man. Literally fucking incredible. Just need to set the Z index correctly. Gonna put them all behind the. Well, interesting. It didn't put it behind the. That's crazy. This is like such a rare thing that I'm surprised that it happened. To be honest. Okay, I'm going to bed. I think I'm losing my mind. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Who knows? Yeah, maybe I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow. Hopefully I can complete a game loop. Is it gonna be a good one? No. Basically, what I'm gonna do tomorrow is make just what right now it's just spawning on the screen. Right, it takes the given screen dimension and spawns. But essentially what I'll do is just make it so that anything a certain distance away from the player will be spawned in the same way that all this stuff is being spawned right now. Yeah, so that way you never run out. You can just keep going and you're gonna have terrain. That type of thing. I might need to adjust, obviously, the amount of corals spawning. But yeah. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. And I'll catch you next time. Probably not as good as I am, but yeah.